Hello everyone, in today's lesson we are going to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. We suppose that we have a matrix A which is 2 by 2 with these following elements A, B, C and D. A power negative 1 means that we are going to find the inverse of the matrix A. This is how we show it. And there is a formula for finding the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix, which is equal to 1 over the determinant of the original matrix here, which is A, multiplied by another matrix. Okay? How we find this matrix? It's easy. All we need to do is just switching the position of our entries in this diagonal. So if it is A and D, so it's gonna be D and A. Okay? But about this diagonal, we keep them in the same position, but we just switch the sign. So if it is B, it's gonna be negative B, and if it is C, it's gonna be negative C. And you already knew how to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. But I'm gonna say it here again. Actually, you all need to multiply your values in this diagonal and subtract it by the multiplier for your entries in this diagonal. So it's gonna be A times D minus B times C. Okay? Like all the time, here's an example. Find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix below. This is our matrix A with these elements: negative 4, 3, negative 3, 1 and 5. So, first of all, we want to find the determinant of this matrix. So, we have negative 4 times 5 minus negative 3 times 1, which is equal to negative 20 plus 3 is overall negative 17. According to this formula here, we have A power negative 1 is equal to 1 over negative 17. Actually, the determinant of our original matrix, which is negative 17, times this matrix. How we find this matrix? We are going to find it, okay? We switch the position of our entries in this diagonal. So it's gonna be 5 and negative 4. It was negative 4 and 5, so it's gonna be 5 and negative 4, okay? But about this diagonal, we keep them in the same position, but we just switch the sign. It was negative 3, so it's gonna be 3, and it was 1, so it's gonna be negative 1. And you can also write it like this and multiply this, actually 1 over negative 17 with your matrix. So you have 5 over negative 17, 3 over negative 17, 1 over negative 17, and 4 over negative 17. Thanks you. So you have 5 over negative 17, 3 over negative 17, 1 over 17, and 4 over 17.